So this is Pomoshadov, the home of Belvedere. There are 4 key points that go into making Belvedere so special. They are the grain, Dankovsky Gold Rye, which is very sweet, very soft. Water. We're one of very few distilleries to have our own artesian well. The unique 4 distillations that give our vodka its purity. And finally, the 33 quality control checkpoints. All these things go into making Belvedere true luxury vodka. So we're in the water treatment facility, so this is where the water that comes from our artesian wells is first brought here. The water is very important because it represents 60% of what makes up a bottle of Belvedere. So the softness, the purity, the consistency of the water is all incredibly important. This Culligan filtration process was actually designed specifically for Belvedere. So we're in the distilling room. And this is where the raw spirit will come to for strengthening and purification. And we have 4 columns here. You can see them, they're very tall, which really helps in terms of producing a lighter, cleaner spirit, which is exactly what we want for Belvedere. Once this raw spirit has gone through those 4 columns, we're left with rectified spirit, which is the Belvedere, but full-strength Belvedere. This then goes through dilution. We're again using our artisanal water to reduce the strength of Belvedere to 40% bottling strength. It's at this point we then take the Belvedere through a filter. We take it through 2 charcoal filters. This does lots of things, but predominantly removes any off notes, any smells that might still be left over after the distillation process. So vodka is really broken into 2 categories. You have neutral vodka that's distilled to have no taste, no flavour, aroma. Then you have the other type of vodka, which is vodka with character. This is Belvedere. And this is a type of vodka that you can sip and savour, as if it was a fine cognac or a wine even. So let's look at the different types of vodka. The basic type is molasses. This is distilled to be neutral, so no flavour, no personality, quite spicy and aggressive on the nose. Then we've got wheat, distilled to be very light and fresh, but still quite neutral. Then we have potato, more character, more minerals, salt, slightly earthy on the nose. And then we have Belvedere. Now, because we've distilled this to leave as much character in, it's a vodka with more flavour. So notes of vanilla, rye bread on the nose. On the palate, again, baked rye bread, Brazil nut, and some wonderful clotted cream characteristics.